Hey, it's Sarah with Papercraft Junkie, and today I wanted to talk about the difference between a junk journal and a glue book. Because I'm seeing a lot of stuff about glue books, and it's so fun. I want you to have fun too. But I also love junk journals, so I've got a couple of different ones here. So let's start with this one. This one is a flip-flop junk journal. Okay, and if you can see, I think this one was 3 pieces of scrapbook paper that are kind of glued together, and then there are signatures sewn into each of the flips or flops, not sure which one. So here I put together some just tea-dyed paper and other paper that I had around, and I sewed it into this little flip-flop part. You can see there's each little section here of this flip-flop journal has different kinds of paper. And so a junk journal can really just be made from pretty much anything, just the junk lying around. Actually, while I'm thinking about that, this little fun little journal, which is an advent calendar, was actually a piece of mail that I got. It was a flyer that I got in the mail, and so I just kind of covered it with paper, and then I decorated it. So this is actually an actual junk journal where I used the junk mail. You can use whatever you find around the house too, right? Like some doilies and some just cords and ribbons and buttons and whatever junk, random paper. Typically a junk journal is going to have some ripped pages. This junk journal, which I haven't gone back to in a while, was going to be my reading journal. So here's all the books that I read in 2023. And then I was going to put, these pages would have the lists of the book club books, and then I was going to do a page on like a book review on each page. So this is my book review in this flip-flop journal, which has both pages. I think you can Google flip-flop junk journal, and there are tutorials online and on YouTube, and that's where I figured it out. But I think I put too many in it, but because mine's pretty big. So just, random paper that I had around the house, and put it into a journal. There's also printable junk journals, which is what my shop has. The printable junk journals. This is one of my vintage Christmas junk journals. There's a little folio. So this one is a little less you find junk around your house, right? You've got pretty pages already, and it's already kind of pretty and decorated. So like you have little tuck spots for things and little journaling spots, and you can put pictures, and my Christmas kits come with words, and so you can kind of just journal what's going on in that month, or use it like a theme. Like I had the book journal. You can theme them, or you can just put pictures in them. You can do whatever you want, or you can just leave it like this and let it be pretty. So this is a printable junk journal. The others were just kind of junk journals. And then a glue book is typically just a notebook where you have cut pictures out of magazines. These are cut out of collage books. Actually, there are things on Amazon, which I'll link to this collage book because it's adorable. I went on Facebook Marketplace, and I found someone that was selling 15 copies of the Magnolia Journal magazine for $5. So I got some really pretty pictures out of that one, and then I just glued so they're ice skating, and the goldfish are sledding, and it's very sweet. So I just cut different pictures out of the magazine and plopped them together because it makes me laugh. Or this was a full page. I like this one. I just haven't found kind of additional little pictures to put on this page or the opposite page. This was a couple of different things. There was the gingerbread houses, and then a spread with the ornaments, and then the word winter. So I put those all together. Again, this is a 1-pager. That's a 1-pager. That's a 1-pager. The Magnolia Journal is just so cute. So this one, I think this one came out of, I don't think this one came out of the Magnolia Journal pages. That did, I think. But these were just ads. So like underneath here, there's an ad for like Lunchables or something. And so I just put funny things together. Like the kids are kind of surprised and blowing things up, and oh, hey, the pigeon wants to know what's going on too. So you just glue books, really, you know, you just glue together what you want to glue together and make it as fun or engaging. You can have, mine kind of don't have themes yet because I'm just getting started with this one, but you can theme them. You can go through your magazines and find only orange things and put those on one page, and blue things and green things, or, you know, you can do things that are in the ocean or animals or food or TV shows or whatever you want, flowers. So a glue book is really very much just what you make of it, and just fun to cut out pictures and glue them down. I gotta admit, I was doing that when I was very young, back in the dark ages. So I have always loved to cut things out and glue them down. And this little glue book here, I will keep working on, just watching TV and gluing things down. So glue book, that's a fun project to have. Printable junk journals, these are fun projects to have because they're already kind of put together. You just cut it out. Ink the edges and then glue it together. And you've got your little journal all already there. Again, those are in my shop. A flip-flop journal where you just kind of can make it whatever you want it to be. Or an actual junk journal where you take junk mail and you make it into something pretty and recyclable, and you can use stickers and whatever you find around the house. Quite honestly, you can paint on them, you can mixed media, you can do whatever. I've got some fun things here and stamps and stickers and all kinds of things. So so that is the difference between a junk journal and a glue book, and hopefully you're playing with both just like me. All right, have a great day. I'll see you soon.